Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog. Girl, yes, I am driving and vlogging at the same time. This is so bad. If any of you guys know where I can get a tripod that goes like on your dashboard or something, you know, like YouTubers use when they vlog, please let me know, because this right here is dangerous. Don't try this at home. You guys, today is a very special day. Oh my god, y'all. I'm meeting Maluma, bitch. I'm going to a freaking meet and greet. If you guys don't know who Maluma is, girl. Maluma is a Colombian singer. He is amazingly hot. He is so talented, you guys. I don't speak Spanish. I took 3 years of Spanish. I was really good at it, and now I legit forgot most of my Spanish. And when I listen to his music, it's like coming back to me. And he's motivating me to like refresh on my Spanish, girl. So let me just tell you what's going down today, okay? So last week I was on Twitter. Oh yeah, follow your girl. Social media is down here. I was on Twitter, and of course I follow Maluma, so I was scrolling down my timeline and I see that he retweeted like Sony Records tweet saying like, don't miss your chance to meet Maluma, and it was like a link. So I clicked the link and it was an app that you had to download. So I'm like, okay, let me download the app. Okay, this is my better side. Oh, I should have put it here a long time ago. So I went ahead and downloaded the app, and it was a Fame album, which is his album that's coming out in 2 days, and a ticket to meet him. And I click on it and it's $10. I'm like, what? $10? I'm like, girl, I just went to his concert, which FYI is like top 5 of every concert that I've been to, and your girl goes to a lot of concerts. Bet, like one of the best concerts ever. Such a good entertainer. Anywho, at his concert, it was $350 to meet him. Okay, so when I downloaded the app and it said $10, I was like, is this fake? But I'm like, you know, it's $10, let me just give it a shot. You know, if it's fake, it's just $10. If it's real, that's kind of hard to believe. So I bought it. The next day, I see that he posted something on Instagram, Maluma himself. It wasn't Sony Records or whatever. It was Maluma himself saying, come meet me in LA. And I'm like, girl, the tickets were real. People are staring at me. This is so interesting. So they were real, girl. And I am still in shock. Like, I can't believe I'm meeting him. This is not my outfit. Like, this right here, not cute. So I am on my way to Robex Juice because I'm thirsty. So we're gonna go get some smoothies, and then we're gonna go drive a little to Hollywood. It's gonna be at the Mayan Theater, which I've never been to. I've never even heard of, but I'm like, shit, whatever. This is exciting, you guys. I can't believe I'm meeting him. I cannot stress how much I love this man. Like, he's only 24. I'm like, damn. Okay, 24. Okay. All right, we got our smoothie, girl. Who thinks that Robex Juice is better than Jamba? I think so. I think Jamba uses like frozen fruits. Like, you know how when you're drinking Jamba juice and then there's like little balls on the bottom of your cup and you're like, what the hell? And that's like their fruit? I don't know. I think Robex uses real fruit. I'm not sure though. It just tastes better in my opinion. Holding a tripod and the wheel. God damn. This is like a major ticket. I should not be doing this. Got my juice. We're back on the road again. Is that from Shrek?
On the road again. Sing it with me, Shrek. I can't wait to get on the road again.
I got my nails done too. Girl, today is just a productive day, okay? Today is really productive. Now here's the thing. I can't take you guys with me because they literally said no phones or cameras because there's going to be a professional photographer, so you don't need that stuff. So I'm not gonna be able to take my camera, but I'll tell you about the experience afterwards. How does that sound? I'm so excited. I'm gonna change, get all cute or whatever, and then go meet baby daddy. What's on the radio? Whoa. Whoa, girl, you talking too fast. Wow, Lexus is driving a little too fast. Where do you think you're going, honey? There's nowhere to go. Yo, I go hard to this song. I don't know what's going on in this song though. Hey, hey, hey! Let's go on this lane. Let's see what you do. Turn up is still on. Wow, this is like the longest song in history. What? Is that a table in the middle of the freeway? Skirt, skirt. Nope, not today, sir. Not today. Oh my god, you guys. I'm back. I'm back in my regular schmegular clothes. Let me just start by saying the line was the longest line I've ever seen in my entire existence. It wrapped around the whole building, which is like legit like 4 blocks. Like 4 blocks. I waited from 5:30 to 8:30. That long to meet Maluma, but it was worth it, girl. So I waited. They gave wristbands, and then you went into the building, which was the Mayan Theater, which I've never been. It was kind of cool. And there was music playing and everything, and security was super strict, like really strict on everything. Like, you can't have your phone out, like don't put your bags on the floor, you gotta carry everything, blah blah blah. So we're standing in line, and I'm about to walk up to him, and I was looking all cute and shit. So I walk up to him, and he's like, hey beautiful. He's like, you're so beautiful. I'm like, bitch, is this Maluma? Like, telling me? First of all, he's so nice. So nice, humble, cute. Like, I had the best time. And it only lasted 10 seconds, I know. You know, they just wanted to go through everyone really fast. So I had a great time. I'm so exhausted right now. Like, this was a long ass day. Ugh, you guys can barely even see me. Like, annoying. God, I can't believe he called me beautiful. And he's like, and he repeated it twice, like, you're so beautiful. I'm like, oh. And he was like looking into my eyes saying that. Like, I got all mesmerized and, you know, hypnotized and all that. I wish I could tell you guys more about the experience. It was just a super long line. There were cool people behind us that we would chit-chat it up with. And we just waited for like 3 hours and met him for 10 seconds. Like, boom, boom, boom. Like, all the security guards wanted everything to be so fast. We took a picture with the professional photographer, which our picture will be ready tomorrow. I'm excited to see that. I hope it came out cute, because waiting 3 hours and having a shitty picture is not gonna make me happy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog car chronicle. I know it's super bad lighting, but what can I do, girl? Hopefully I'll have another video up soon. It'll be a tutorial or maybe even a review, because I did order the Kris Jenner collection from Kylie Cosmetics, which I'm super excited to use. I ordered the palette, which was the only thing that actually gravitated to me. So that'll be my next video probably. If not, it'll be something else. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my crazy videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, someone help me. I need a freaking tripod so I can normally vlog in my car. Thanks guys, bye. This is a good ass song. Throwback, throwback. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, my favorite part already passed, I think. That's cute. Running circles around my mind. Hey. Okay, bye guys. Love you.